teepees. They hunt bison with bows and arrows. They're nomads, as you can see on page... well, I can't seem to find the page. Anyway, they live in different tribes. As I was saying, they live in different tribes, and their houses are completely...
You look like the great chief!
Come on, cut that out. I'll never get my project ready if you guys keep goofing around.
You could try being more natural, John. And if you don't get your nose out of your notes, you'll send the whole class to sleep. Tinkerbell!
Hey, Peter!
Come on, put those books away, Professor John. We're off to Neverland.
Hey, but I'm still in my pajamas.
We can't miss the great totem ceremony.
Wow, cool! So, what is the great totem ceremony exactly?
Wait, I wrote it down somewhere. Basically, it's a sort of folklore festival where the natives communicate with nature.
Oh, yeah? How do they talk to nature?
Well, it's very impressive. Each native has his own animal totem, which protects him and links him to the wild.
Like with a leash?
No, not really, no. At each new ceremony, a totem appears and chooses a member of the tribe. You'll see.
Dear brothers and sisters, prepare yourselves to receive the protective spirits of the forest.
We got here just in time.
What do you think my animal totem is? A lion? Or an eagle, maybe?
You'll have to grow a bit more to have your own totem, my young papoose.
Oh, no. It's always the same thing. What about you? Do you have a totem?
No, but I'm in no hurry.
Wow!
What is it?
You're right on time, Chaloon. We're on the captain's snack duty.
7? No, go fish.
Peter, you think I didn't see that card up your sleeve?
I need a map to find my way around this blasted pile of maps.
If I might make a suggestion, Captain, do you happen to recognize this seal right here?
Mommy? But what is all this gobbledygook?
Most likely a code, Captain.
You mean to say that this map leads to the treasure of my dear old mama, and that I, her little hooky-poo, can't read it?
That is the particular difficulty of treasure hunting. One must know how to decipher the smallest detail, the clue to put us on the right track. You have to be quite the
You wouldn't perhaps be insinuating that your captain has a brain like a clownfish by any chance, Mr. Smee?
Me? But of course not. What on earth made you think that, Captain?
So then get a move on and decipher this map instead of sitting there like a beached whale.
John, this is a great day for you. Your totem has chosen you.
My totem? Hey, give those back right now. Give them back. I can't see anything. Seriously? You think I have anything to do with this ridiculous chimp?
He has the Great Book of Neverland!
Don't let him get away, John! Me? What do you think I can do about it?
The totem never gets angry without reason, John. You must try to understand him. Look into your heart.
It's just that, well, already my project is giving me trouble, and
You are free to do as you please, John, but you should not refuse to answer the question he has asked you.
Not to stress you all out or anything, but while we're sitting here discussing this, John's totem is, getting away.
What'll I do without my glasses?
Just trust your favorite neighborhood fairy. Up, down, left, right. Ready for takeoff, Captain John?
Anyone else up for a game of Find the Monkey?
I am.
Has this ever happened before? I mean, a totem running away like this?
Oh, with them, you gotta be ready for anything. The hardest thing is to understand what they're trying to tell you. It sure wasn't easy with mine.
Are you saying that you're called Tiger Lily? Because
Don't worry, I don't use my claws.
Look! This way!
Tinkerbell! My notes! Stop!
Doing okay up there?
How about now? Is that enough?
Not yet. Just a few more. All right, that's enough, Chaloon. Let's make our way back to the ship. The captain will be very happy.
Tinkerbell! Stop!
So, how do you like having a fairy for co-pilot?
Just great! I've lost all the notes for my project. You're lucky I didn't ask for the ejection seat option. Ow! Yoo-hoo! Anyone there?
I'm warning you! Spit me out or else... All right, I'm like it.
I am not edible. You think you'd know the difference between a fairy and a fly?
Hey! Who are you? Get away from me! I'm no monkey! Hey! Did you hear me? Or do I have to prove it to you?
Hey, fellas, here we go. Snack finding mission accomplished. I'm warning you, I'm not the one who's gonna peel.
Bravo, gentlemen. I say bravo. A very original snack.
For the last time, you moronic moray eel. Does this map show Devil's Creek or Turtle Island?
I simply cannot concentrate like this, Captain. You know quite well that I'm afraid of sharks. Sharks! There's got to be a better way to decipher that map.
What? A monkey on my ship? Get that thing out of here!
Thank you, Captain. You were very kind. But of course, it's obvious. Mama Hook must have hid her treasure.
In my ship. A treasure in my ship. A treasure in my ship. This monkey is fantastic.
What is it?
Oh. Oh. My pinky. Amazing. Mama hid it so I wouldn't suck on it anymore. Well, stew me a bunch of squids. Let's have a look at that. Great Book of Neverland. Oh, I don't know where you've come from, but I get the feeling we're going to be best friends.
The pirates.
This complicates things.
Tinkerbell, John isn't with you?
By the time I explained to a sneaky hitchhiker that we couldn't stop for him, John was gone.
Well then, that makes two to find now. We'll have to split into two groups. Lily and the Lost Kids, you deal with John. Tinkerbell, Wendy, Micheal, and me, let's go visit the pirates.
This book is a veritable gold mine. I don't know where to start. The 7 League Boots. With those, I could finally kick that little worm of a Peterpan's tail. You'd like to help your captain to find them, wouldn't you, sailor? There you go. Suits you to a T.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Ah! I'm not in hurry! Tinkerbell! Peter! Wendy! Come get me! I'm here! What in heaven's name are you playing at? Little sneak.
Are we close? Get your shovels, you lazy bunch of jellyfish. You too, you squidhead. To work.
Look, there's John's totem with them.
He's stolen Smee's hair!
That's strange. It looks as though he's happy to be with the pirates.
A bit too happy. Shh! Don't be scared, little monkey.
What a lovely surprise. Give us a hug, Peter. You're just in time to break in me new boots. What do you think?
New boots and a new first mate, eh? What ridiculous plan did you come up with this time, huh?
Patience, you miserable shrimp. It's a surprise.
Peter won't last long at this rate. We have to grab that monkey and get out of here. Hey!
Sorry, lass, but you need a ticket to watch this show.
Let me go!
Wendy!
Checkmate. Peter. Game over.
Attack! Take that, you old rusty hook!
Michael!
Let me go, squid breath!
Any other volunteers to shine my boots? So, you ain't such smarty pants after all, are ye? Prepare yourselves for the reign of Great Hook the First. I love this book.
Little monkey, maybe John might not have been very nice to you, but that's no reason to surrender all the secrets of Neverland to this old ostrich.
And what's more, you're having a very bad hair day.
Ooh, he's a little joker, isn't he? I adore him. My dear companions, our new home awaits. Tonight, we sleep in the imaginary tree. All right, everyone. Forward march.
You get that, you filthy urchins? We're heading out.
You've got to warn the others.
A totem never gets angry without reason, John. You should not refuse to answer the question he has asked you.
Be brave, John. This is no time to give up. Unless you want to spend the rest of your life stuck here eating bananas. Delicious. Thanks.
Hey, look here! Over here!
What's up, Tubbs?
Oh, just wild monkeys.
And that's not all.
Thanks, guys. That was cool. You sure set the bar high for me.
John?
What are you all doing here? Oh, don't worry. I'm not starting a new career as Captain Hook. I found these up there and, well, I had to get down.
There you are! The pirates have captured Peter, Wendy, and Micheal, and they're on their way to the imaginary tree!
What? Wait, something's not right.
Ah! John!
Peter, Wendy, or Micheal would never tell Hook where the imaginary tree was.
They wouldn't, but your totem is an ace at figuring out the secrets of the Great Book of Neverland.
Huh?
And if you don't make up with him in a jiffy, all of Neverland will soon be no more than a bad dream!
We're gonna need a plan.
There, on Hook's shoulder.
I see. It's time we have a bit of a chat.
Attack!
No mercy!
None! Let's get that Captain Hook!
Yeah!
An ambush. Perfect. They're doing our job for us. You like my boots? Careful with that, you can hurt yourself.
You really think you can take Hook on just like that?
It's called a diversion, Tinkerbell. Our concern is not Hook, it's the marmoset.
Wait! You can't fly without fairy dust?
Don't need it. My totem asked me a question, and I have to answer him on my own. Oh! Hip, hip. Yeah!
Help! Help!
On my way! String me! Here I am! Hey!
Oh, what a lovely little fly I found.
Listen, buddy, we're not going to chase each other all day. So our first meeting didn't go so well. I know. I reacted badly. I shouldn't have, and now I'm saying sorry. Hey, wait! Come on, put yourself in my shoes. My head was jumbled with my project and all, and then all of a sudden you show up, and the Great Chief tells me you're my totem. You were the one who sent your buddies to me in the forest, am I right? Oh, don't play innocent. I know you can read my mind, and you understand everything that's going on here. See? Even now, when the world is falling down around us here, I'm not going crazy. I'm keeping my cool. You don't believe me, is that it?
Yeah! Go for it, John! You show them what the darlings are made of!
Surprise! Is that it? Is that the best you got? Where are you going? Huh. I thought I'd get more fight out of you. Don't you even want to try, little tiger? Oh, pretty please. If only to make me happy. Ooh, the little kitty's got claws. Frankly, you disappoint me, you puny worm.
Let go of me! know how to do that. Okay, I see. You want me to break it down for you? Well, you asked for it. Ha!
What's he doing? You'll see what Captain Hook does to traitors, you swarmy little chimp.
First of all, he's not a chimp.
Look, stop! Leave me alone! Get your paws off me, you darn dirty apes! Oh, you bunch of anchovy-stuffed baboons!
About time. It was starting to get funky up in there.
You going to set us free right away, or would you like a good tickle yourselves?
Bye, my little friend. Thanks.
Glad that monkey business is over.
But beyond folklore and feathers, there's a bond that links the natives to nature and her wildest expressions. Just try to imagine, for 2 minutes, how it must feel for a young papoose who's attending his very first totem ceremony.